Yes, hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are fine. And yes, today I'm adding another gadget to my collection. I'm very happy and I hope we are going to also enjoy the video. I'm unboxing it for the first time and let's see what is inside. So let's check what is inside. Manual there. This is the user manual, and let's see, the box is empty. Wow, let's check what is this, guys. Let's see how it looks like. Yes. It's not so heavy, you know, just light. So let's see what is inside. It's what's inside. Yes, then this one here, and there is this one as well, the wind blockers. Yes. And there is this USB-C cable there, you see, and there is this is the charging port, as you can see. So this one here will go inside here. This is the charging port, as you can see, and what's this? Oh, this has no use. It's just to keep away insects, I think. So the most important thing is this one here. The most important thing is this one, guys. So let's see, this is what I've been waiting for, and it's a DJI Mic Mini, just very small like this. See, guys, this is what I've been yearning for. And this is the magnet, you can see, guys. See, DJI, and this is DJI. Wow, so this mic touches like that, and maybe if you want this one, if you don't want to use the magnet, then you can just this one put it on your shirt, just like this, yeah. So I will be testing out audio to see. Actually, this one can connect directly to a GoPro or a mobile phone. Anything that has Bluetooth wireless that can connect to Bluetooth, this one can as well connect. So I will be showing you how you can connect this DJI mic directly to your mobile phone or GoPro without using the the receiver. So this is it, guys, and this is what I've been yearning for on my collection. So now I hope my audio is going to be clear and loud, and I hope my videos will be very interesting this time, because I have this new gadget added to my collection. So I'm very happy, guys. Yes, I received this one yesterday, so I just wanted to open it today and see what is inside. If maybe there is anything that is not good, then I have to like make a refund or return it back. But I see everything is okay. This is the pouch. This is where I will carry my small DJI mic. Yes, in here, and I will put what is necessary. This mic, this one, wind blockers. So yeah, I will be happy, guys. This is another step forward. Yeah, so this one here actually fits here if you want to charge. Like if you want to charge, this is the charging port. So you just place it here like this. It's magnetic as well, so you can press it here. Then this is your charging cable. You can as well put it there like that, and plug this one in this in the power anywhere, maybe on your laptop or somewhere, and it will begin to charge. So just as simple as that. This is how it can be used. And of course this magnet you can as well use it to, let's say you want to attach it somewhere, maybe like very far, like this side, you can use it as well and attach it there, just like that, guys. So I'm very happy to have this gadget added on my collection. I'm very happy, guys. So I will make another video to show you how you can connect this, only this, without the receiver. You can connect this to your GoPro camera or mobile phone, and it works perfectly nice. So just wait for my other video. Make sure you subscribe, share and comment so that you don't miss the next video, guys. So this is it. This is my gadget. That's how it is. Only this, simple as that. I have very good and nice audio. So yeah, that is it, guys, and see you in my other videos.